To make our yoghurt, we're going to bring 1 pint of milk to the boil. Once it starts to bubble, it's boiling. Then cool the milk to under 40 degrees C. Then we add a couple of tablespoons of live yoghurt to the mixture. And then just lightly whisk those in, making sure everything's mixed in. Then pour this mixture into a sterilised jar. Here I'm using jam jars with a tight fitting lid. Here I'm using a sous vide machine at 39 degrees. This will take between 4 to 6 hours till it's set. You could also use a slow cooker or anything else that heats to about 40 degrees. Set this in the fridge ideally overnight, and there you go. Lovely.